Say goodbye to mushy or undercooked rice. The COSORI 10-cup rice cooker uses fuzzy logic technology to automatically adjust every step for fluffy, perfect results, every single time. With 18 functions, you can make white or brown rice, oats, soups, grains, or even sauté and slow cook your favorite dishes. Need it fast? The quick rice mode delivers perfectly cooked rice in a hurry, powered by 1000 watts. And cleanup? Effortless. The non-stick ceramic pot and removable lid are dishwasher safe. Keep your meals warm for up to 24 hours, or set a timer for fresh rice right when you need it. COSORI makes cooking smarter, faster, and tastier.